let's learn how to sew a 4-hole button today. There are a few different ways to do it. There's the traditional cross method. There's another fun method where you can go from hole to hole and go around, creating a sort of circle. Then you can do just these two and these two to make it kind of exciting. Today we're just going to do the traditional cross method. So you'll want to make sure that you secure your button by holding it in place where you want to sew. You're going to push the needle through into the first hole. You're going to go across to the second hole and down. Don't do it too tight, especially if you're using a buttonhole, because you'll need the fabric to go in between the button and this fabric. For your second pass, you'll go into the hole right next to it. You can always kind of look underneath in these beginning turns so that you can tell where you're going. And pull it through. You're going to go down the diagonal hole there. And you'll want to repeat this process about 5, maybe 10 times, depending on how secure you believe you want your button to be. Remember, down through that hole and up through that, down across. You can always check by tugging on your button. Once you feel that it's secure, you can tie off the end. Go to the back, push your needle through the thread, and you can put it through the loop here to create a knot. And you can do that another time if you want, and then trim off the excess thread, and you have your 4-hole button.